My friend, good afternoon. And today I would like to make a description for our QT4-24 block making machine. Now you can see we have the two models with different color. You know, we fabricate our machine and finish the painting according to the requirement from our customer. And if you like the green color, we will paint the green color. If you like the red, we will finish the painting of the red color. So anything is based on your like. So now this model is a complete one. It comes with the concrete mixer. This one is a concrete mixer. It's a very the complete and finished the products. It's a very good mixer, and we use this model about 20 years. So 20 years we didn't change because we get a very good feedback from our customer. So, and this one is a conveyor belt, the frame, and for now we didn't fix the belt on it, but later we will fix the belt. It will come with the complete conveyor belt. So you like this color, the green color. I like this hopper. Is according to the requirement from our customer. We painted it to be the white color. It's very nice. You can see it's very nice. 拉近一点. And this one is the hopper open mouth. So normally it will open like this. So the concrete material will be dropped down inside the mold box. Okay. And this one is the handle. So you use the handle to push back and go front of the mold. So this one is called the mold frame. The mold frame. And this part is the vibration table. It's a vibration table. So we will put the pellets and later on. 你还录着，我拿回来。好吧，进了哈。And this one is the pellets. And this pellets is the fiber pellets. It's the fiber pellets. It's with a very good quality. And later on I will do a texture for the fiber pellets for you. But now I want to show you how to use the pellets. So here, okay, the pellets will be here, and the block mold will be dropped down the pellets. And after the block formed, the pellet will be transferred out with the belt. With the belt, you can see the belt. This one is the belt. Yes. Okay. And for this machine, we do a production box. This cover, we call it production cover, to cover this motor. So at the production time, maybe the stone and the sand will be thrown out and to inside this motor. But with this production cover, it can protect the motor, electric motor, very well. And you please come here. And with these pellets, after the blocks is formed, the pellets like this will be transferred to here, slowly to here. Okay. And when the pellets come to here, so this will be a block here, and the worker will be carry a barrel and go up to here and carry up the pellets and go where do you want to drop the blocks. So it's a very good machine and nice machine and easy to be operated. And here is the controller. Okay. Yeah, it's the controller box. 远一点。这里。 So my friend, and thank you for your time to watch my video. And the next time I prepare the video and show you how to operate this block machine. So see you next time. Bye bye.